I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I taste the food. I taste the food. I heat water in the kettle. I heat water in the kettle. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I pour juice into a glass. I pour juice into a glass. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I boil water for pasta. I boil water for pasta. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I set the table. I set the table. I wash the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. I put the pizza in the oven. I put the pizza in the oven. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I cut the onions. I cut the onions. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I get a bowl. I get a bowl. I break the eggs into the bowl. I break the eggs into the bowl. I clean the counter. I clean the counter. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel.